Sup guys, let's do this. What is up you guys, Claudio back again with another game of Will You Press the Button? Man, I haven't played this game in a couple of weeks, like 2 weeks or something like that. Last week I had problems with my SD card, so I couldn't do a video, but yeah, we're back. Anyway, I normally play this game once a week and I enjoy it a lot, so without further ado, let's get it! Boom! Alright, you can buy anything you want, but you have to buy it for however much the store you are buying it from is selling it at. What? This is so weird because it basically like it always is then. You can buy anything you want, okay? But you have to buy it for however much the store you're buying it from is selling it at. It's like normal there, like always. Alright, cool. But I wonder if they're thinking like you can buy anything you want as I have the ability to do it, you know? Because even if I wanted now, I couldn't buy anything I wanted. I couldn't go to like the Ferrari store and get one of those, right? But you can buy anything you want. I wonder if I have. I'm just gonna press the button. You know what? I don't want to over-analyze this. All right, 68% of the people have pressed this button, while 32 did not. Moving on. Moving on, I said. Alright. There's a pill that will suck all the fat out of your body and you will be at 0% body fat, but there's a 50% chance you'll die if you take it. Yeah, no. And there's a good reason for that. You'll be freezing all the time if you have 0% body fat. I believe you'll die if you have 0% body fat. It's not even. Is that even possible to have like 0% body fat? Would you be anorexic? I don't think so. I don't know. Leave your comments down below. Let me know. Anyway, I will not. And yeah, moving on. You can modify yourself physically as you want. Any part of your body, but your IQ will drop down dramatically. Okay, modify yourself physically as you want. Any part of your body. How do they mean like modify, like tattoos and stuff? Huh. Piercings, perhaps? I don't think that's related to your IQ, so I will not press the button. I think this was a ridiculous dilemma, I guess. So fuck this. Anyway. Next one. Anyone you touch, including yourself, you cure of any sickness. Okay, cool. That's a great power to have. But you can't play your favorite game, watch your favorite movie, watch your favorite TV series, read your favorite book, and listen to your favorite song. I would do it. I would do it. Yeah, I would do it. Yeah. Why would I do it? Well. I mean, you can help people, I guess. Cure them of illnesses and stuff like that, including yourself, which is a cool thing. Yeah. I would like to live a healthy life. You know, without complications when you grow older and stuff like that. So that'd be cool. I don't want to live a particularly long life per se. No, don't want to live forever. Not immortality stuff here. Just live like a normal length, I guess, but without any complications. Like I don't know, like I guess cancer, fucking you know, problems. You know, probably high blood pressure. Fucking diabetes or whatever, I don't know, whatever you get when you get older, like Alzheimer's and dementia and stuff like that. So yeah, pretty cool alternative here. So this was a good dilemma. I like this one. It was good. I always rate them good anyways, you know. I don't know why I do that. I just do. Anyway, moving on to the next one here. You get a sweet pet parrot. Okay. But all it does is does shit about you. Yeah, that'd be fun, I think. That'd be really fun. So yes, I would. Yeah. This was a good one. Alright. You have unlimited money to spend on whatever you want forever. But you have to watch the person you love most die. Yeah, I will not. I rarely click these because these are fucking retarded. So fuck you. Now, every woman you are interested in will automatically want to have sex with you. But you give an STD to every woman you have sex with. Yeah, that's not a good thing. So I will not, because that would mean that I have the STD. And yeah. Use a condom, kids. That's a great way to stay clear of STDs. Just saying. No, I will not. You get to completely redesign the rules and laws of society you live in, okay? But you do not get to stay who you are. You will be randomly assigned somebody else's life to live in this new version of the world. Okay, yeah, I wouldn't want that. First off, I wouldn't want the responsibility of completely redesigning the rules and laws of society. That would be too much pressure for me, I think. And yeah, I don't know, man. I don't see any upside to this. So fuck this. Alright, moving on. You can become a girl for however long you want. Be very cute and every person likes you. But you get your period every month, and if you stay as a girl for over a month, you stay a girl forever. Huh, interesting. Well, for your information, when you are a girl, a woman, you get your period every month. So that's the deal, I guess. Unlucky, but that's the deal. So yeah, getting the period every month, that goes with the job of being a girl, I guess. Unfortunately for them, because it doesn't seem like it's so. Anyway, fuck it. And if I stay as a girl for over a month, you stay a girl forever. Okay. But you can become a girl for however long you want. No, for whatever you want. Well, I guess, but over a month. So I can change back within a month? You can become a girl for whatever long you want, be very cute and every person likes you, blah blah blah. But you get your period every month, and if you stay as a girl for over a month, you stay a girl for... You know what? I would do this. I will press the button. I will press the button for this reason and this reason only. I am 63% pressed the button while 37 did not. You know what? I would change back, I guess, to being a guy, but I would love to know how it is to be a girl. Like, how, like, would my point of view change? How I see the world? Emotions, thoughts, I don't know, man. It'd be interesting to be the opposite gender for a period of time. I'm talking about a few weeks here. I'm not gonna go the full month, because if I do that, then I stay a girl forever. But I would like to know how it is, you know, to have the experience. You know what I mean? That'd be interesting, I think. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about that. Would you like to be a girl for less than a month and then change back being a guy? Or the other way around, if you're a girl? Yeah, that'd be an interesting thing to live through, you know? Yeah. Let me know in the comment section. Anyway, last question, dilemma. You have all the knowledge in the entire universe, but nobody believes what you say. Hell yes. You have all the knowledge in the entire universe. Whew. I mean, for me personally, it's awesome. you know? Because I would know that I have the knowledge, I would know that I'm right. I wouldn't bother by telling anybody else. If they didn't want to believe me, then fucking fine. I don't care. 64% pressed the button while 36 did not. Interesting.
Thoughts?
Yeah, guys, this was a cool round. Still thinking about that. Imagine to be a girl for a few weeks and then change back to being a guy. It'd be interesting. What would you do? How would it feel? Huh. I'm more interested in how the mind works. How you see things, like emotions and stuff. It's a very interesting thought. Anyway, I think, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for over 10,000 subscribers. Whew. It's been an amazing week. Let me know in the comment section below about this girl thing, about would you like to try out being a girl for a few weeks and then switch back, and if so, why? Leave your comments down below, let me know. Also, thank you very much for watching, and hopefully see you guys in the next video.